All right, an easy way to get this case off is you just pop it here, and it just comes right off. So you go down to the bottom, right there, and it pops right off. That's it. And that's how you do it. So then we're gonna pull these out. There's a little tab here. And so I can get that one. Notice what end it is. And then this one. Pop it out of there. So this is the negative side, this is the positive side. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in here. All right, so I'm putting it in, I'm putting negative side in, and positive side this way. Bam, there we go. Now we got to put our cover on. Notice that this is the negative end, this is the positive end, all right? And that little strap there, you just pull on it and they pop right out. Now to put it back, you just got to make sure that you've got it even right down there. You see that? And then what you're going to do is just kind of slide it up. You also want to make sure that all of these rubber things are in place. If they're not, you're going to have a problem. So let's go ahead and slide it up just like that. We're going to slide it just like that. See those little things up top there? They're just going to smush in. When you push on it, it's going to lock in. Ta-da! Bam, done. That's how you do it.